Hey everyone! Did you know that Oscar, my lovable pup, has a reputation for trying to eat just about anything he can get his paws on? I mean, can Oscar truly eat everything? Let's find out together. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to introduce you to Oscar, the food-loving dog who's always up for a challenge. Today, we're diving into a hilarious experiment to see if Oscar can eat a variety of foods. Spoiler alert, it's gonna be a wild ride. Alright, folks, here's the deal. It might sound fun to see Oscar munching on everything from veggies to pizza, but there's a serious side to this experiment. We need to think about what foods are safe for dogs and what could potentially harm them. Some foods, like chocolate or grapes, can be really dangerous for our furry friends. So, while we want to have a good time, we also have to keep Oscar's health in mind. It's not just about seeing how much he can eat, it's about making sure he's safe while doing it. Let's remember, some foods might look delicious to us, but they can be a big no-no for our pets. Now, let's get to the fun part. We've got a whole bunch of different foods lined up for Oscar to try out today. First up, let's see how he reacts to some crunchy carrots. Watch as he sniffs them and gives those big puppy eyes. Oh, look at that. He's actually chewing them. That's a win. Next, we're moving on to something a bit more controversial, peanut butter. This is usually a crowd favorite, and Oscar can't get enough of it. But wait! We need to make sure it's xylitol-free because that's super toxic for dogs. Alright, now let's see how he feels about some blueberries. They're packed with antioxidants and are safe for dogs, so let's see if he likes them. Cut to a clip of Oscar catching blueberries. Oh wow, he's a little blueberry monster. As we go through each food, I'll keep you updated on what's safe and what's not, and of course, Oscar's adorable reactions are priceless. Now, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. We've got something a little unexpected. Drum roll, please. It's a slice of pizza. I know, it's not exactly dog food, but come on, it's a classic. Let's see if he'll give it a go. Cut to Oscar eyeing the pizza slice. Look at that face. He's totally intrigued. But here's the twist. While dogs can enjoy cooked plain chicken, some toppings like onions and garlic can be harmful. So, let's take a closer look. Cut to Oscar sniffing and licking the pizza. Oh no, he's going for it. But hold on, folks, we're not letting him munch on this. It's best to stick with the safe options we've discovered so far. What a journey, right? So, we've learned that Oscar can chow down on some pretty tasty and safe foods like carrots, blueberries, and peanut butter. But we also found out that not everything is good for him, especially those tempting human snacks. It's super important to know what's safe when it comes to our pets' diets. Remember, just because they beg for it doesn't mean they should have it. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I'd love to hear from you. What are your pet's favorite foods? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more fun experiments with Oscar. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.